Okay, hello everyone. So now it's our week 10 counting and combination. Week 10 is our last week. Congratulations, we will complete all the 50 questions in this week. So yeah, now let's look at our question 46. So teacher assigned Ethan 12 essays and asked that he should write at least one essay every day. So we know the total essays is 12 and at least one essay every day. Here's the most important thing here. If Ethan can write up to 3 essays a day, which means it can be 1, 2, 3. 3 situation. We only have this kind of 3 situation, and he cannot write 4 essays every day. Then we want to know how many ways to finish the essays. So we need to write a table to help us analyze. So here's the number of essays every day for 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 12, because we only need to have 12 essays. And how many ways to finish? So maybe firstly, let's think about for 1 essays. So how many ways? Can only be 1. So actually we have 1 way. And for 2, how many ways? 2 can be 1 plus 1 essays. And also the first day he complete 2 essays. So actually we have 2 ways. And for 3 essays, it can be 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 essays. And also it can be 2 plus 1, the second situation, and also 1 plus 2. Remember, the first day I complete 2 essays and the second day I complete 1 essay. It's not same as the first day I complete 1 essay and the second day I complete 2 essays. And also remember, up to 3 essays a day. So it should be 3 to complete 3 essays on the first day. So actually we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ways. So we can fill 1, 2, 3, this 3 situation into the table. It will become 1, 2, and 4. So now let's think about how about the 4, the number of essays become 4. So 4 essays, how many situations? So think about if the first day I complete, if first day I complete only 1 essay. So how many essays remain? So we need to complete 3, right? For 3 remaining essays, how many ways? Look at that. We know it should be 4 ways. And if I complete the first day, I only complete 2 essays. So what's the remaining part? Remain have 2 essays. So for 2 essays, how many ways? We have 2 ways. And if the first day I complete 3 essays, what's the remaining part? I remain have only 1 essay. So for the 1 essay, how many ways we can complete? We have only 1. So for 4, it can just be this one plus this one and plus this one. So 1 plus 2 plus 4, how many different ways? We have 7 different ways. Maybe you have already find out the pattern, but let me write another about 5 essays. So for 5 essays, we can use the same method to analyze. If the first day I complete 1 essay, so what's the remaining part? The remaining we have only 4 essays remain. So how many methods for complete these 4 essays? Look at that, 7, right? So we have 7 methods, 7 ways to finish it. So if the first day I complete 2 essays, so how many ways? We have complete 2 essays, so the remaining part is just 5 minus 2, 3. So for 3, we have 4 methods. And if the first day I complete 3 essays, what's the remaining part? We have 2 remain. So for this 2 remain number of essays, So we have 2 methods. So it should be 2. Do we need to consider if the first day we complete 4 essays? No, because up to 3 essays. Remember that, which means each time we only need to analyze 3 situations: 1 essay, 2 essays, and 3 essays. So for 5, it should be 4, 2, and 7. What's the sum of 2, 4, and 7? It should be 13. So I think all you guys have already find out the pattern. So for the number of essays is 6. How many methods? Yeah, we are 4 plus 7 plus 13. It will be 24 different ways. So about 7, yeah, you need to plus 7 plus 13 and 24 is 44. After that, you can find out all the numbers: 81, 149, 274, and 504. At last, about 12 essays, we have 927 ways to finish it. Wait, so the answer is 927. So for this kind of question, you need to find 2 important things. The first important thing is we need to complete 12 essays. And the next important thing is the range of essays a day is just from 1 to 3. And after that, you can list the table to find out the answer. And sometimes the question will give you, maybe at least 1 and up to 4. 1 to 4. You should list all the 4 numbers and find the sum of the front 4 numbers. It should be equals to 1. So for example, this 5 should be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and you can find out the answer.